Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to organize your academic research like a pro? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Notion and a free literature review dashboard template to create your own professional, personalized literature review hub. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up a streamlined dashboard that helps you track sources, notes, and creative insights, all in one convenient place. Let's jump right in. Instead of building everything from scratch, we're going to save time and get a polished look by using a free template for our literature review dashboard. Trust me, using a template is a huge advantage, especially if you want your dashboard to have a professional edge without the hassle of dealing with all the little formatting details yourself. And the best part? You can always customize it later to fit your unique workflow and preferences. So first things first, let's navigate to where we can find this template in Notion. Look towards the top left corner of your Notion window and you'll see a little drop-down arrow or menu. This is where all your workspaces and options are. Click on it, and from the expanded menu, you'll spot an option called Browse Templates. If you don't see it straight away, don't worry. Sometimes it's under More Options. Take a moment here to explore. Notion has a huge library of templates for all sorts of tasks, and knowing your way around can really boost your productivity later. Once you're in the template browser, you want to search for Literature Review Dashboard. You might see a few different styles, so don't rush this step. I recommend scrolling through and picking one that feels clean, organized, and matches your academic vibe. For example, some dashboards might focus on citation tracking. Others may have sections for summaries or creative notes. Pause here and ask yourself, what features do you need most for your research? Don't be afraid to try out a few templates. You can always remove one you don't like and pick another. After you've found the template that fits, click on it. Notion will show you a preview so you can poke around and see what's included. When you're happy, just press Add to bring it directly into your workspace. This step is quick, but it's also kind of exciting. Your dashboard is about to come alive. Now let's personalize it. The template gives you a strong starting structure, but you can add your credentials, research topics, creative ideas, and any custom columns or tags that you need. Think of this like organizing a digital research binder. If you're working with multiple authors or sources, set up custom tags or databases to track them. If you like visual cues, maybe add icons or color-coded sections for different stages of your review process. It's all about creating a space that feels comfortable and helps you work efficiently. Take your time here. Customizing might require a bit of tinkering, but remember, Notion is endlessly flexible. If you're new, don't worry if you don't get the design perfect right away. The key is to start simple and adjust as you go. You can always come back to tweak things once you've used the dashboard for a bit and learned what works for you. And that's it. You've just set up a professional literature review dashboard in Notion with minimal hassle and a ton of potential for customization. I hope this guide helps you stay on top of your academic research and makes your literature reviews smoother and more organized. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips on using Notion for research. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing.